Hi, and welcome back to this week's episode of Finding Financial Freedom. Today we're talking about risk insurance, and you'd be hoping that this person had it, right, Peter?
Absolutely.
I guess it's something that a lot of us don't think about or don't think we need because we all think we're invincible, but it is extremely important. So Peter, what is risk insurance and why do we need it?
Well, risk insurance is very important. It's basically covering events that we don't know what's going to happen in the future. If you look at this accident here, so do we predict yesterday that we'd have an accident? Are we going to die from that accident? Are we not going to be able to work anymore after that accident? Or are we just going to be slightly injured and be off work for 6 months? We don't know the answers to that. Risk insurance covers all of those events, and it may be a lump sum on death, a lump sum on total and permanent disablement, or income protection where you've got your salary being replaced because you're off work for a long period of time. They're all very important, but because we're insuring something we hope doesn't happen, we then need to look at how it gets paid for the premiums to be very effective for us, that we can afford that. And there's a number of factors that are important on how much you should be insured for. They're things that we'd go through when we do people's financial plans. We look at what your debt levels are. So if you were to die, would you want your family with a big mortgage payment where your income's not there anymore? Or do we have money that's provided for the children to continue going to school? So all of these issues that aren't pleasant to talk about are extremely important to know about how you can have your finances structured if the worst thing happens tomorrow.
Yes, okay. And I mean, a lot of people do think that, you know, they insure their car, they insure their home, but then they don't insure themselves.
Most important thing, your ability to earn an income.
Yeah.
And that's what a lot of people don't understand, but it is so simple. In part of my other life, I do some pro bono work for the Cancer Council. I see it firsthand of people that don't have proper insurance and adequate insurance. It can just financially ruin the whole family. You may have passed away, but what you leave behind is a massive problem, and that can be fixed so quickly and very cost effectively if you talk to your financial planner.
Right, well, it's definitely a very important topic, and unless you're made from the same thing as Wolverine, where you can heal yourself from any accident, then you really need to look into risk insurance. This is something you should really speak to Peter about further, and you can call him on 02 4627 5200 or visit macarthurfp.com.au. Join us next week when we'll be talking about the good, the bad and the ugly of borrowing to invest.